Role-based programming in bold. An example of implementing the actor/role pattern in bold. Role-based programming in bold. Bold allows developers to develop OOP applications which persist to a database. This gives us the ability to add inheritance to our applications, but this ability can be overused. As an example, in an application I developed in bold once I had the following model. The above structure allows the application to record purchase orders against a customer. Admin work can be assigned to an admin employee, and flight information can be recorded against a pilot. Role-based. The problem with the above scenario is when roles start to get mixed. For example, an employee may become a customer, or a pilot may do some part-time administration work. The solution to this problem is to use the actor/role pattern. Each actor, abstract class, may receive multiple roles, also an abstract class. It is these roles which have business-related information associated with them. For example, a pilot role would have the flight information associated with it, and the customer role would have purchase orders associated with it. The newer model would look something like this. An actor may have no roles, or many roles. A specific instance of an actor may forbid the removal of a role. A role may deny application to a specific actor. A role may specify that it is required and cannot be removed, i.e., LoginRole cannot be removed because the user also has a SystemAdministratorRole. A specific instance of an actor may reject a role. Listing 1. Actor/accept or reject a role function. Actor.can accept role. A role class. Role class Boolean. Begin if not a role class. Allow duplicates and has role. A role class. Nil. Then result equals false, else if not a role class. Allow active duplicates and has active role. A role class. Nil. Then result equals false, else result equals a role class. Can apply to self and // or disallow removal of a role function. Actor.can remove role. A role. Role Boolean. Begin result equals not a role. Is required, and // returns a role, but only if it is active function. Actor.find active role. A class. Class. Exclude instance. Role. Var I. Integer. Begin result equals nil. For I equals 0 to roles. Count 1. Do if roles I. Active and roles I. Class type equals a class, and roles I exclude instance, then begin result equals roles I. Break, and / returns a role, whether active or not. Function tactor.find role, a class, t class, exclude instance, TRole, var I, integer, begin result equals nil, for I equals 0 to roles.count, 1 do if roles I.class type equals a class, and roles I exclude instance, then begin result equals roles I, break, and / returns true if the actor owns a specific role and it is active. Function tactor.has active role, a class, t class, exclude instance, TRole boolean, begin result equals assigned, find active role, a class, exclude instance, and / returns true if the actors owns a specific role, active or inactive. Function tactor.has role, a class, t class, exclude instance, TRole boolean, begin result equals assigned, find role, a class, exclude instance, and function tactor.receive query from owned, originator, t-object, original event, t-bold event, const args, array of const, subscriber, t-bold subscriber boolean, var object locator, t-bold object locator, role, TRole, begin result equals inherited receive query from owned, originator, original event, args, subscriber. If not result or bold object is deleted, then exit, / check for insertion of roles if originator equals m_roles, then begin if original event equals bq may insert. Then begin / get the role being inserted assert, args1.vType equals vTObject, object locator equals args1.vObject as t-bold object locator, role equals object locator.bold object as TRole, / check for duplicate roles which are not allowed if not role.allow duplicates, and has role, role.classType, nil, then begin result equals false, set bold last failure reason, t-bold failure reason.create, this role may only be applied once, self, and else / check for duplicate active roles which are not allowed if not role.allow active duplicates, and has active role, role.classType, nil, then begin result equals false, set bold last failure reason, t-bold failure reason.create, cannot apply this role because there is already an active role of this kind, self, and else result equals can accept role, TRole class, role.classType, if not result then set bold last failure reason, T bold failure reason dot create role cannot be applied to this object self, and else // bq may insert / check for the removal of roles if original event equals bq may remove then begin / get the role object being removed assert args0.vtype equals vt integer role equals roles args0.vintager result equals not role.active or not role.is required. If not result then set bold last failure reason t bold failure reason dot create role cannot be removed plus it is required by another active role self and / bq may remove and listing to role / allow or disallow application to a specific actor class function TRole can apply to a object tactor boolean begin result equals false and / virtual method to override in descendants which describes the role class function TRole.get role name string begin result equals and / optional specifies if active duplicates are allowed or not class function TRole.allow active duplicates boolean begin result equals false and / optional specifies if duplicates are allowed or not active or inactive class function TRole.allow duplicates boolean begin result equals false and / returns true if any role depends on this role to be present function TRole.is required boolean var I integer begin if actor nil then begin result equals true for I equals 0 to actor.roles.count 1 do if actor.roles I self then if actor.roles I requires role self then exit and result equals false and / override this to specify if another role is dependent upon function TRole. Requires role a role TRole boolean begin result equals false and / populates the derived role name attribute from the class method procedure TRole underscore role name underscore derive and subscribe derived object T object subscriber T bold subscriber begin inherited m underscore role name dot astring equals get role name and / prevents the deletion of a required role function TRole dot made leet boolean begin result equals not is required and function TRole dot receive query from owned originator T object original event T bold event const args array of const subscriber T bold subscriber boolean begin result equals inherited receive query from owned, originator, original event, args, subscriber. If not result then exit. If originator equals m_active, then / active attribute begin. If original event equals BQ may modify then begin. If actor equals nil then result equals true, else if active then begin / disallow deactivation. If another role requires / this role to be active result equals not is required. If not result then set bold last failure reason, t bold failure reason dot create, cannot deactivate this role, plus other roles require it, self, and else begin / disallow reactivation. If another active role exists / and duplicates are not allowed result equals allow active duplicates or not actor has active role, self class type, self. If not result then set bold last failure reason, t bold failure reason create, cannot activate this role plus because there is already a similar active role, self, and / BQ may modify and / active attribute and the code so far has all been abstract. All that is left is to descend some concrete classes from actor and role. Conclusion: instead of having an employee class or a customer class, we can now easily assign an employee role or customer role to any type of person object, which is an actor. Additionally, we can mix roles. A pilot can perform administration, and anything could be a customer, a person, department, a company, or even a country. I hope this article has been informative.